Most shops are still tracking quality checks on paper clipboards or separate spreadsheets, which means there's no live record of what passed inspection and no way to catch issues before an assembly ships. In Manufacton, QA/QC can be built directly into a work step for any production order. Here, I'm opening a production order and clicking into the QA/QC icon to pull up the quality form that's tied to this specific assembly. The form itself is fully configurable based on what you need to verify for each type of work. You can set up simple pass-fail checks, like conduit length is correct, or add specific criteria fields where the team enters a measurement or tolerance, like straps and couplings secure, with a required numerical value. That flexibility means you can tailor the checklist to match your shop's standards and the complexity of each assembly, instead of forcing everyone into a one-size-fits-all paper form. At the bottom of the form, you'll see a signature box. This can be made mandatory, so the work step can't be marked complete until someone signs off that the QA/QC checks have been done and passed. That creates accountability and a time-stamped record of who inspected what, without relying on initials scribbled on a clipboard. The same QA/QC form is available in the mobile app. From the Manufacturing tab, the shop team taps Complete Work Step, and the exact same checklist appears on their phone or tablet. They can run through the quality checks, enter any required measurements, and sign off, all from the floor without switching to a desktop or filling out a separate document. With QA/QC built into production work steps, you get configurable, enforceable quality checks that create a traceable record from the web or mobile app, so nothing leaves the shop without being verified and nothing falls through the cracks on a paper form.